you get one boneless beef ribeye?
Which one would you like?
Do you want that front one then?
Yeah.
That front one is perfect.
We're trying the lime quads. We're making mocktails right now. Oh, you know what they did? You could eat it with the rind.
What?
Yeah.
Why is yours so much smaller than mine?
Well, you won't eat the whole thing.
Damn. Okay. No, okay.
Okay.
What's the difference? Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so much smaller.
Okay.
Cheers. I don't know how we're supposed to eat it.
Mmm. It's good. I don't like it.
No, I'm trying to figure out like what part I liked because I did like a bit of it. Should I do that? You just squeeze the rest in here.
Okay. Mmm. Mmm.
Yes.
The key lime.
And I have the Ora Bora lemongrass coconut flavored sparkling water, which I've never had.
No. I actually don't like that flavor, but Cassie was like, I'll try it.
Oh my god. Oh! Okay. Time to pour mine.
Do you have a straw preference? This one's probably easier.
Okay. Thank you.
I don't know why they make it like straight.
It looks so funny.
Like, I don't need
oh my
this.
God. I have the seed at the bottom.
You have like multiple.
Cheers. Cheers.
Wait, you have to get your reaction.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I see. I see why you don't like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But do you like it?
No. But I don't hate it.
That was like my same reaction, but I was like, wait, no, I mostly hate it. You want to try a different flavor? Try this.
It's like okay.
I want to try this one.
Okay. Yes. I don't think you can taste the lime quad enough.
Honestly, I don't think you can taste very much lime in this either. It's like, oh. I don't like this.
You know, the only time I've had LaCroix was a different flavor than this, and I really, really disliked it.
Really, what flavor?
I don't remember.
They have a
I
lemon
think
one.
the yellow one? Or the red one. I don't know.
It might be the red one, because
Okay.
the lemon one is just like lemon water.
I don't remember. Remember? It
Lemon
was at like a
is-
dog sitting gig. Yeah. I don't hate it. But I wouldn't get it again. Yeah. Maybe this would be good with like some type of fruit, like blackberry or something.
Do you want to try it with the blueberry?
Oh, with blueberry?
Yeah, I have frozen blueberries.
Oh, because you would put blueberries, not blackberries.
The pink one.
Sure. Such a big stem. We can put this whole thing in.
We're making steak and potatoes and asparagus and mushrooms.
And carrots.
Yes. We are snacking on charcuterie. Ooh, baby sizzling. Oh, it looks really good.
Oh, really?
It looks like we're so healthy.
Ooh, good sear, good sear.
Yes, ma'am. Slay.
Okay. Yes. And then it'll melt the butter,
Mm-hmm.
and then we'll cut it,
Mm-hmm.
and then we'll like toss it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Good boy. Oh.
Right now, it's really cute.
Oh, my sweetie.
Okay, we're doing a taste test now, a dessert taste test.
The first thing we have is a Toy Chinese dessert called Mamai Tea.
Oh my god. Reminds me of a TikToker named Cassie. She's a chef.
Oh yeah, I love her.
I love her so much, and she's like
I was actually
first
watching
bite
through her.
bestie.
Yeah, I was watching through her videos for ideas like for dinner today. No, you have it. Cheers. Oh, cheers.
I love.
Cheers.
No, I don't want to bite. It was so good. Is she around every weekend? Oh man. We should eat this one first because it's like gonna melt faster. I feel
Okay.
like.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a snickerdoodle one. This is eggnog and snickerdoodle swirl. Yes, very holiday-esque. Thank you. I'm staring at
Wow, it smells really holiday.
Yeah. And like they don't have this anymore, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
The spoon.
It's like delicious.
Yeah, that's good. It's like a spicy version of cookie butter. Like a holiday version of cookie butter.
That is the perfect, and the aftertaste is also really delicious.
Yes.
Too. I feel like your brother would like this.
Oh my god, I was just thinking that.
Because I had the same taste buds as your brother.
I was just thinking that my brother would probably love this. My dad too, because he like loves like it's this. I feel like this kind of flavor. What's missing for my dad would be nuts.
See,
Some type
I'm
of,
good
like,
without
nut.
nuts because I don't like nuts in my ice cream.
Me too. What do we have again?
We have the pistachio one and then the cookie butter one.
Oh.
Kulfi, pistachio, cardamom.
Oh yeah, this one sounds really good.
Yeah, it does sound good. And then we have malted cookie dough shake from Van Leeuwen's. Classic.
I feel like let's have this one in between because these are both more like spice driven.
Yeah.
And that.
Neither of us have tried these.
Yeah, these
two.
two are ours. This is from Van Leeuwen.
Damn, it was cold in there.
I don't think I've ever really bought the pints from Van Leeuwen. Ooh!
We have.
I'm gonna lick it. Oh my god. It's so funny. With his harness. Oh my god.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Tofu's like, where's mine?
Love milk ice cream.
I really love
milk
this.
here.
Taste.
That's specific. Get one.
Yeah. Tofu.
Yeah, this is good.
Rate it.
Maybe like a 7.5. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Like a 7, I would say.
It's not like amazing,
Yeah.
but it's good.
But I'm gonna eat all of it.
Yeah.
So. Just licked my Yeah.
Okay, the last one we have is Kulfi pistachio cardamom. I'm sorry if I pronounced the first word wrong. Kulfi? Or it's a little bit floury, I will say. Like the texture, it's a little bit like grainy, but I think that's because of the spices.
Oh, I don't taste the green.
I think it's like the pistachio, the ground up pistachio.
This is like a very sophisticated flavor. I feel like I wouldn't reach for it if I were like on my period or something. But like taste wise, like just taste wise, it'd be like 8.5.
Yeah.
Watching How to Train Your Dragon. Wow.
So steamy.
Yum. That looks like it hits.
So one.
Slay.
The hash browns are perfect.
Wow. You just changed my life.
Yeah, right? It feels full. The avocado too.
I like the hash brown.
Yeah, right?
Okay. We're doing each other's makeup now. The way that like we do it on ourselves
on the other person? Is that what we're doing?
I was gonna do like something more creative. Like this isn't the look that I would normally do for myself, unless it was like a fancy event. Like I'm doing a little bit more of a glam look.
Okay.
Because glitter. Yeah, I'm totally alright with that. Your makeup always like really looks good. So this is like the before clip. And then we'll come back once we're done.
A reveal. Right?
Should we close our eyes? Okay, yeah, my eyes are closed. Okay, wait.
We're in.
Okay, yeah, now we're in. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I am going out. But I like it. I think
I
it's
like
like
it
a
too.
cute,
It's very
a cutesy
different.
look. And the blush too.
I actually really like your eye makeup. And
Hello. Yeah, I
cute.
definitely look like I'm like going out.
yeah, you're going
Like-
out to the club now. You're going to Mission.
Yeah. Oh my
Right,
god.
today.
Please, not Mission. Although they would let me in for free with this look.
You look older.
I do look older, and I think you look younger.
I look younger. I know. Now we look like the same age.
Wow, my brows are like really curved. I feel like you made them longer, right?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Do you like it that way?
I don't know. I feel like they like frame my eyes a lot more than I'm used to. I honestly don't even like fill my brows in a lot of the times, which hence why I didn't even like care about doing yours because I don't care about doing mine most of the time. But I mean, like, I think they're blended really well.
I usually put on probably a little bit less blush
Yeah.
than this, and maybe like a little bit lighter. Like, cause this is like a very like red blush. I've never used red blush.
Right. I wish my hair looked better though, so that like it wasn't like weirdly like flat at the top.
No, it's fine.
All right.
We could go out.
Fun reveal.
Yeah.
Wait, what day is it?